This next question comes to us from a big fan of the LHR75E Electric Mini, and his question was, what does he have to do to make the conversion, and what are the benefits and features of the LHR75 Pneumatic Mini? So these are two Bigfoot random orbital polishers that are small in size, but pack a big correction punch. Now they have a lot of similarities and a lot of differences, so we want to be able to make sure we answer these questions thoroughly and walk you through.
The world of paint correction and polishing is getting more complicated by the minute, and every week we receive hundreds of questions in comments on social media, on videos, and emails. We want to answer those questions. This is Rupa's Replies.
So let's start out with what's different about them. The LHR75E Electric Mini features a 12mm orbit and a top speed of 5,500 RPMs. Now, normal operating speed is going to be about 4,800 RPMs, which gives us a lot of correction in a small area. The LHR75 Pneumatic Mini, so we are dropping the E from the 75, gives us a huge amount of correction power. Instead of a 5,500 RPM potential, with enough air pressure, this thing produces 11,000 RPMs and a larger orbit. So we increased the orbital rate by 100% and we increased the orbital distance by 25%. This has a 15mm orbit. So the correction potential for the Pneumatic Mini is much higher than the Electric Mini. Now this does come at a cost. When we transfer all that polishing power through the polishing pad, you're going to wear out the polishing pad faster. This makes the Pneumatic Mini an ideal solution when we need rapid defect removal, but pad consideration and pad cost is secondary. Think about a car factory or a very high production environment. The LHR75 Pneumatic Mini also has a large requirement for air. It requires 6.2 bar or 90 psi of pressure with a rate of 320 liters a minute or 11.3 CFM. This is not going to work well if you have a small air compressor or a pancake compressor in the back of a mobile van. And this is one of the largest advantages of the Electronic Mini. With a regular power supply, you're going to get excellent, consistent results with the Electric Mini. It's perfect for mobile detailers, for headlight restoration technicians. You're going to always get good results. And the smaller orbit also makes it an ideal tool for doing spot sanding and repair without the big power of the Air Mini. Now, they are similar as well. Both use a 75mm or a 3-inch backing plate, which accepts a 100mm or 4-inch polishing pad. They both can polish the same areas, but the Pneumatic Mini can do it just a little bit faster, provided you have the air supply. So which one is best for you? That depends on what you're polishing, how you're polishing, your setup, and ultimately your goals. For most people, the Electric Mini is the best solution. But if you have the air supply and you have the need for speed, the Air Mini is one of the most amazing tools we make. Hopefully this video on the LHR75 series of mini polishers from Rupa S Bigfoot was helpful for you. If it was, give us a like. Subscribe to our channel. Ask us a question below or leave us a comment and tell us which one of these two amazing polishers you prefer. But the question you ask might be the next question we answer on the next episode of Rupa's Replies.